All right, so today is July 18, 2024. Whew. So VIX had a contract change. We gapped up. ES and then Q gapped down. To follow suit, if we get rid of the, I'll just do it on this one here. Get rid of the extended hours. We see that ES and Q gap down as well as ES, right? So now we can see if we can fill this gap, but ES also has a gap at the bottom that it needs to get filled. Hopefully sometime in the future, but who knows when? I thought maybe this week may look like it because we started dropping down, but I didn't realize that we had this gap up here. So maybe we'll come up and fill it and come back down. Let me look at what the daily looks like. All right, so the gap I'm talking about for ES is way over here. Is the first gap, and we have a second one right here, right? So a nice correction for about 400 points. Okay, so right now we have a few gaps that need to be filled with ES. All right, so yesterday, boy, did I get my butt handed to me because I was pretty much being foolish. Um, that's pretty much really it. I was trading things I shouldn't have been trading, and forcing trades, and then also because I didn't see my setups, I started like looking for things that I saw during the week versus doing things that I've back tested and practiced more often. I did kind of back test that 5 minute thing, but there was probably, I guess there's something missing that I didn't see, that I started forcing it even more and just couldn't really get a hang of it. I started getting my butt whooped, like trying to go long here, and then price just kept dropping. All right, so yesterday was a short day. Today we basically consolidated in the aftermarket. We do have levels down here at the bottom. I'm gonna go with the flow of EVIX. Um, I don't know, may reset my combine. It'll be unfortunate if I have to, but I'm going to really step back and look at the higher time frame and what it's given me for direction. Right? I like this volume. You know, nice trade potential here. Don't really have any strong volume up here. I would like to see ES go a little higher where it rejected or break above, and then we'll continue higher. And Q is moving higher, and that's kind of where we are with my levels. I can add ADR and settlement price, but I've been hardly been using them. We had an 8:30 news. Nothing came from that, and that's pretty much it for news. As far as the morning pre-market, we have a 10:30, and then we have a lot of bonds expiring, I believe, or announcements for them. So that's that. Let's go into settlement price as well as ADR levels, and then I'm going to call it here. Looks like I was disconnected for a little bit. All right, so okay. Okay, there we go. So settlement price Wednesday, that looks correct. Today's Thursday. Our change is plus 15. Yesterday it was like negative 50. Um, they'll have a prior settlement price level. I don't see anything, so I'll just add one now. Let's do this. All right, that's our settlement price. Come to test that. Let's go to NQ. Here we go. While that's loading, let me as add. Oh, wrong button. Okay. Pulling it back up. Settlements. Interesting number. Couldn't get below 2,000. Actually, it is below 2,000. What am I talking about? Alright, so that's my settlement for. Sheesh, they're all over here. Oh, yeah, everything's here. What a freaking cluster of lines. Got settlement, value area low, and whole number all right here. So the 2,000 is 20,000 is a crucial area. All right, so let's do ADR levels, and then we'll just be waiting. You see, I don't have any clear levels besides buying at the lows. My supplies are, I feel like they're far in between. Probably 57.20 would be a better supply. I do kind of have this one here, but looking at how NQ is moving, it's kind of giving me making me kind of second guess like how price action is actually going to move. I'm not gonna do much with VIX. VIX basically been trading sideways, following exactly what ES and NQ's been doing. All right, so ADR levels. Let's see if they're even worth marking. Let's do this. Ooh, that's a thick level. That's very thick. All right, so this is at 5, 6, 56, 70, 75. 56, 70, 75. So right around here is ADR level. And as high as 56, 74. So this whole area here. So I'm just gonna add a line. There we go. And then this one down here is 56.17. Kind of right around here, 56.17 to 12. So basically what I have here. So let me just do this. I'll just add the top part. 56.17.25. And then we'll make it green. Alright, so those are my ADR levels. And then let's do NQ. $21.81.50, 181.50 near this interesting level. 21.81.50. Go. And then 19.868.50. 19.868.50. And then that's our demand ADR. Alright, so those are technically my levels. Now what am I looking for? We've been holding this. We bounced once, look like we're bouncing twice, pushing up. I'm likely gonna look for a breakout, retest. Pretty much what I have in mind. Breakout, retest. Because I don't see anything else that's catching my attention. You know, NQ is being kind of strong and now, ES is being so, or a rejection up here. I may add the top of NQ's ADR, which is at what, 2206.75, 2206.75, 2206.75. All right, so just so we have that there. There you go. All right. Okay, so that way we can see that. So yeah. All right. So that's pretty much it for my levels. Don't have any direction in pre-market. In pre-market, I'm going to keep an eye on the higher time frame. I'm going to be more zoomed into that. Then on the lower time frame, I may benefit by doing this today. Maybe too much. You know, I may benefit from by doing this today, and keeping an eye on these two. And that's it. So I'm going to step back and just keep my eyes open for the best levels. Alright, that's it for me for today. Gonna still keep changing. I'm gonna trade my same size, one contract. Like I said, I prefer to just take the reset and go from there. Then trading small and making myself small. I want to just work on bettering my discipline. Reducing size. It for me for today.